I simply couldn't stop thinking about these 4 designer bags, so I've ordered them all and we're going to be unboxing them in today's video. Hey everyone, Steph here. If you are new to this channel and love all things luxury, you, my friend, are in exactly the right place because we get it and not everyone does, so make sure you join us by hitting the subscribe button and the bell down below. A quadruple bag unboxing. Okay, I recently had a bit of an epiphany moment as I was reviewing my bag collection and feeling like I didn't have a bag that was super suitable for everyday use, which might sound a little bit ridiculous. I do have quite a big designer bag collection. I kind of just decided that in terms of everyday tasks, taking the dog for a walk, heading to the park, maybe going shopping, the grocery store, I don't necessarily want to be wearing one of my really expensive bags. You know, sometimes monogram and all that, it just is not the vibe. And I just want something that is a little bit more carefree, that isn't so expensive as some of my really high-end bags. And yeah, a lot of those I bought for special occasions, evening use. I do not use them every day. And I feel like all of these bags here are potentially going to be fantastic designer everyday bags, so I cannot wait to see what you think as we unbox them in today's video. Before we dive straight into today's unboxing, I would like to say a huge thank you to Farfetch, who are the sponsors of today's video. Now, I've worked with Farfetch a few times on this channel, and honestly, if you haven't been to the Farfetch site yet, it is seriously one of the best luxury sites in the world. All these bags that I'm about to show you, I ordered on Farfetch. The service is always incredible. Like, some of these items have come from Japan, the Netherlands, and they rocked up literally within like a day or 2 days. Like, I can never question their customer service and their delivery times. Also as well, I really like that the price that you see on the Farfetch site is the price that you pay. Like, it includes all your import duties and taxes, so there's no like scary bill to arrive when something arrives in your country. This does mean I have another 10% off discount code for you. I know you guys love these. I will flash it on the screen down here for you. Terms and conditions do apply. You can use this code on all of the bags that we are about to unbox together in today's video, and a jewelry piece as well. I will pop links in the description box for you so that you can shop this video super easily. With no further ado, let's get unboxing. We're going to start with the jewellery piece and then we'll start unboxing the bags, but this is from Vinader, and this is one of my favourite jewellery brands. I already have quite a few pieces and the quality is always incredible. It is this infinity ear cuff. This is great if you don't have an ear piercing or you just want to add more hoops to your ear. Look how beautiful the gold is. Okay, next up, we're going to be unboxing our first bag. So you might have already guessed from the dust bag, this is from Mulberry. I like this. You can also as well give your bag a second life on Farfetch if you have loved it and want to sell it on. So that's great. Here we go. This is a bag that I have not stopped thinking about since I first saw it a good few months ago now. And it is the mini Mulberry Alexa in the lawn green with silver hardware. And the reason that I love this bag so much is just that the green is so bright and vivid. I don't have a green bag in my collection and I am loving it. Like, the heavy grain leather on these bags from Mulberry are just exceptional. So you basically, these 2 tabs on the side have poppers and then you undo the postman's lock on the front to get inside of the bag. What do we have here? We have a shoulder / crossbody strap which you can detach and take off. And then the lining of the bag is lined with like a beautiful green suede. And we've got all the like Mulberry cards inside of here. This is what it looks like when the shoulder strap is attached. And just to kind of give you an idea of what this looks like on, because this is the cutest size bag. Like, it will fit all your everyday essentials, keys, phone, and like a card holder or a small purse. Absolutely no problem. I had this in pink originally, but I feel like this green is just so different to anything in my collection already. Are we loving my new mini Alexa in the lawn green colour? I have not been able to stop thinking about this bag ever since I first laid eyes on it. It was actually featured in one of my vlogs, I would say well over 6 months ago now. I went into Mulberry store, I saw this, and instantly I gravitated towards it because it is just the most vivid, bright, glorious green colour. I absolutely adore it. And I've tried to forget about it, I've tried, and I just couldn't. I just could not. I feel like this is going to be a great everyday bag. It's going to be a pop of colour to go with my outfits because I generally wear quite neutral colours. So I like to add colour through my accessories. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Let's get unboxing a few more bags. Our second bag unboxing from Farfetch then, and this is a Marc Jacobs bag. I have been debating a Marc Jacobs bag for a while now, and as soon as I saw this colourway and this size, I knew this would be in my collection. Look at her. Oh my gosh. This is I believe this is called the summer colorway. This is the mini Tote bag from Marc Jacobs. I believe the only place you can get this at the moment is Farfetch because it has completely sold out, and I can see why. The colorway is so gorgeous. It is like this creamy gray. We've got black leather accents, so with Marc Jacobs on the back of the bag, the black leather trim. We don't have studs on the bottom of the bag, but the canvas feels really sturdy. I'm loving that we've got a zip across the top and you've got a detachable, fully adjustable shoulder strap. Look at the colours on this. Oh, they've done such a good job of teaming these colours together. They just feel neutral, but not too in your face. I am loving it. And here we go, trying it on. Like, I can see me using this all the time for dog walking, going to the park, like just nipping out, running a few errands. I love it. It's a fantastic size. It can fit all my daily essentials in. And the fact that I can fully adjust the strap as well is amazing. So, on to our third bag unboxing from Farfetch. It's another Marc Jacobs Tote bag. And I saw this online and I just loved the neutral like colours. So this is the small size and this is in the wicker finish. So it's kind of got like a wicker weave to it. It's more of a neutral, but we've got the black accents again. The tote bag is on the front in black with Marc Jacobs. Oh, I love it. It's so nice. Again, we've got the zipper across the top. Why don't all brands do this on tote bags? It just makes your bag so much more secure. Now, the biggest difference here, I can tell already, is that there is an internal pocket in the small size, a zipper compartment inside of the bag. You've also got this thing on the side where you can put your water bottle. Oh, I love it. It's such a great neutral. Let's try it on here just to kind of see. So I've got a really plain outfit on. My Jacquemus Bahia blouse, which I highly recommend, guys. Again, you can use the 10% off discount code on Jacquemus. Team this with some black trousers. And we've got the tote bag here. Oh, I love it. And finally, on to our last bag unboxing. Now, this one I am excited about. And it's not going to be to everyone's taste, but here we go. Oh, look at the colour. Yes, it's another Tote bag from Marc Jacobs. I've gone all out with this. When I am invested in something, that is it. Okay, this one is so different from the other two that I've bought, but I've been most excited about it, and oh my gosh, look at this. This is like the lime green organza version of the bag in the small size. Again, you get the detachable strap, you've got the zipper across the top, you've got this like lime kind of yellowy green on the back, you've got the bottle holder on the side. I'm just going to pop the zip back inside of the bag there. And let's have a quick look inside the bag again. So we've got the zipper across the top, and then, yeah, we've got the same thing as the wicker one. You've got a zipper compartment and also two other compartments. I'm loving this little detail. It's a shame the mini doesn't have this actually, but I do think obviously smaller being a bigger bag, it does need more compartments. You've got your detachable shoulder strap, which matches the bag here. You do also get one with the wicker. I just didn't show you, but you do get one, which makes these bags so versatile. And honestly, like, there's no feet on the back. This one's like got leather on the bottom. Oh, I'm just loving the green though. Let's try it on and see what it looks like with an outfit. I'm just loving that it adds such a cool pop of colour. Now, I definitely need to mix this up a little bit and style it with different things because the green is just so vivid and amazing. This would be perfect, I think, as well for a beach bag. Like, it's a really nice size. You can get the tote bag in a large size as well, but it's really lightweight, which I am loving. What fantastic bags. That escalated quickly, didn't it? I have never had a Marc Jacobs tote bag before, but it has been a bag that I have been looking at more and more. And I do really like the fact you can get them in different sizes, so many different colours, fabric options. Like, what are we all thinking? I mean, we've got quite a variety here. This one's my favourite, and I've already started using this like pretty much all the time as an everyday bag. I really like it, and because of the fabric as well, even though it's a light, it feels like a really sturdy fabric. I'm not afraid to kind of use it. So the smaller sizes, I feel like this one here, the Wicker one, is such a great like neutral. I feel like it will probably work well for autumn winter. My bright green one, this is not going to be to everyone's taste. I know that, but I need a bit of colour in my life, and I don't know what it is, but I feel like Marc Jacobs have absolutely nailed this like lime green. It has been one of my favourite lime green colour bags ever. This is the one, as mentioned, that sold out, couldn't get it anywhere because I think this was from summer, and luckily Farfetch did still have some in stock. Shipped from Japan, it came within like 2 days, which is absolutely ridiculous. Shout out to Farfetch for their incredible service, and also for supporting small boutiques all around the world so that you can get hold of pieces that you cannot get anywhere else. Thank you so much again to Farfetch for sponsoring today's video, and a 10% off discount code I will flash on the screen down below for you. You can use it on all of Marc Jacobs as well as many other incredible brands. Terms and conditions do apply, but 10% is a huge saving. Now this is for new accounts only, I believe, so you will need to create a new account on Farfetch, add everything to your basket because I believe you can only use it once as well on a new account. Add everything to your basket, then use your discount code and get 10% off. Happy shopping, guys. Now make sure you don't go anywhere, because coming up next I will link my latest video release here for you and over here. 9 overpriced designer bags that unless you love, I think you should avoid. Enjoy.